Chad here with Purple Car Life, and in today's video, we're at the Kioti dealership talking about the tractor shortage. You can see they do have a few of the larger case tractors. But if we look here at the Kiotis, they've just got the little guys. So let's take a look and see what they have today. So right here on the end, they have the Kioti CS2210 with the SL2410 front end loader. Has R4 tires on it, mid-mount mower deck, 54-inch. Here's your side control here, power takeoff, front or middle PTO, middle and rear PTO, rear PTO, drive ranges, low and high. It says range on here, it says PTO on here. And then look at this, this is the cutting height, adjustable by inch, from 1 inch in half-inch increments up to 4-inch. They do have the price right here on it. MSRP was $17,190 and their sale price is $15,650. And then they list the options you can add: pallet forks, backhoe, tillers, landscape rake, brush hog, and back blade. Take a look here at the rear end. Has LED tail lights. Category 1 3-point hitch. Here's your fuel fill. We know that's much nicer than on the hood. If you've watched my 5 things I hate about my John Deere tractor, you know that I hate leaning over the loader to put diesel in the tractor. Here's something I don't like about these small size Kiotis, and that is the joystick control on the loader up in front of you. I prefer the joystick to be down low and easily accessible from the operator's seat. There's your 4-wheel drive control. It does have a differential lock. Right over there, you push down with your foot. It's a nice heavy-duty fabricated deck and a good size front bucket on this smaller tractor. You can see right beside us is a Kioti with a little bit different front end loader. It's the SL2420 on the CS2220 tractor. So if you'll recall, this one was the 2210, this one is the 2220. And this one, tractor loader and 60-inch mower deck, MSRP $17,990, on sale for $16,900. Same available options. You can get a brush hog on here. Nice little toolbox here on the side. Not super heavy duty, but it would hold up for basic use. No tail lights on the back of the tractor on this one, but you do have your lights on your ROPS. This one, same model, same price. Again, that fabricated deck is nice. Another same model, same price. Another same model, same price. So at this Lamb & Webster dealership in Grove City, PA, no shortage of the Kioti CS2220 subcompact tractor. But this is the one I wanted to stop and see. I have not seen this model before. The first thing I noticed, even from the highway is right up there, so you can see kind of what they have here on the lot when you're driving by. But from the highway, I could see the R14 tires on this, and they looked like they were pretty good size. And I continue to be impressed with these tire designs. I feel like that's a aggressive tread, but it's a little bit wider like the R4 than a traditional R1 tire. So I like those R14s. These ones in particular are Goodyear. They're impressive on the front also. So this is a DK tractor with the SE features on it. And this one you can see right in here is a DK6010 SE hydrostatic. It has the KL5520. Nice big stance. There's your diesel fill down there by the step of the tractor. Obviously, nice heavy duty loader on this one. Good size hydraulic pistons. Big bucket. Take a look at the back here. We do have some tail lights, 3-point hitch. This is the basic arms on the 3-point hitch. And it has those turnbuckle adjustments that I really am not a fan of. It does have a drawbar, and it does have the 3-point control from back here. So I think you'll probably be able to see when I push this down, it actually will allow those to lower. I like that you can control the 3-point from this lever, so that when you're attaching implements, makes it a little bit easier. There are a set of remotes back here. Nice impressive size tractor. Doesn't have all the bells and whistles of some of the CK SE tractors that I looked at, but still a nice machine. With the larger loader, it does have that tubing support all the way back to the rear axle. And it does have the loader control here on the loader rather than up here on the seat where I like it. Let's have a seat and see what it looks like from the operator station. There's your high, medium, and low range. 4-wheel drive control right here. And your diff lock down there. Does have an adjustable seat. On the opposite side is your PTO control. 3-point draft. Foldable ROPS. Here's looking from the operator station. The gauge cluster. Parking brake lever. Turn signals and controls. Horn does work. You do have split brakes, which is nice. You can operate them together or split them and operate them independently. That's nice. Hydrostatic drive control, forward and backward. Hazard lights, you can see they are working. Here's your throttle. Pretty basic operation. There are instructions here on how to use that joystick control for your front end loader or grapple or anything else you would put up there. points of view. There's the little Ranger. So here we're on the biggest tractor, looking down the bunch. Remember, there were a whole bunch of those 2220s, one 2210 down at the end, and another 2210 just off to the side there. While we're here, we might as well take a look at these Case IH tractors. I'll be honest, I don't know nearly as much about the larger tractors. This is a 95A model. It's a big machine. Has some nice wheel weights on it. Nice joystick control with third function buttons. Tires are pretty tall. The fender is at about my head height, to give you an idea of scale. Nice big 3-point system with the easier to connect arms. Big hydraulic valve connections for your auxiliaries. Here's a Case 115A with cab. Another big, serious farm duty tractor. Here's a Case 100. Vestrum. It says Vestrum on the side of the hood there. I'm not sure what that means. And then Case 120U. The exact size of the exhaust on that tractor. 3 steps up to get in. Some more equipment over there. Little used Case 50A. This door's locked. This tractor takes your diesel and your DEF fluid. Fenders on the front wheel. Big machines. After you look at those big Case machines, these look even smaller. So I hope you enjoyed this, just a little update on what they have here at this Kioti dealership. Not the stock they normally have. I was hoping by now it would start to replenish itself, but not the case. None of the 26 horsepower tractors or 35 or 40 horsepower tractors that I like to see out here and take a closer look at. Just show you a couple of the implements. We do have a brush hog, nice small 4-foot brush hog, lots of Titan rototillers, bigger brush hog, some pallet forks, there's a grapple, and then a couple Kioti land planes. Looks like a 54-inch and a 60-inch. Couple skid loaders there. So thanks for watching today's video. If you like videos like this, give us a thumbs up, comment down below, share with your friends. We'll see you again the next time.